Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Homeowner. Today we're going to make some chicken. Those are some chicken breast tenderloins. First I patted them down, and then I put some soy sauce in there, mixed them all up, put some salt and pepper in there, mixed them up some more, a little bit of oil. Then we have a bunch of veggies here. Yeah, they're frozen. That's fine. So right now I'm warming this up. Going to put it over a bed of white rice. Oops, there's the fuzzy. Bed of white rice once I get everything going. So let me finish up here, and we'll get going here. Alright, starting to heat up. Let's throw some of these on here. So now I'm just going to spread them out. Once they're starting to cook up a little bit, it'll be nice and easy to chop them up. Alright, so I've chopped them up a little bit. They're still going to cook a little here. I have it on about medium heat. I don't want to overcook them. Next, this is also about medium heat. Got some water here. Let those steam up a little bit. This is a pretty vegetable heavy one. Every bite's going to have some vegetables and some chicken in it. And again, we're not mixing it with rice, we're just going to put it over rice. No soy sauce. I already put some on earlier, but you can mix it in nice. Alright, spread everything out. Make sure everything's cooked evenly. And now we'll see it right back with a plate. All right, check this out. Does that look good or what? So, we got that. And I have 3 of these things I'm making up for work. Trying to lose some weight, so I'm doing the Weight Watchers thing. I wanted to have some rice with it, but it's too many points for the rice. So that is a 1/4 cup of rice for 5 points. So it's some jasmine rice I made up earlier inside. So I'm gonna just, that's enough rice for me to have fun. But so with this in here, that'll be a good lunch. But altogether, that's about 11 points. If you're also one on Weight Watchers or something. Again, a little baby bit of rice. You get the idea. Good, easy, cheap meal. Everybody's happy. All All right, let me bring the rest of this stuff in. Thanks for watching.